Natural light can be a beautiful design element with a little sun management. Elegantly managing the sun's heat and glare can be accomplished with Master View shades that use only the highest quality fabrics, such as Pfeiffer sheer weave, and Solar Screen fabrics with control options such as chain-driven, cordless, motorized, and crank-operated. Master View shades are designed for both interior and exterior applications. While Solar Screens manage the sun in most cases, what about rooms where a solar screen is only occasionally needed? Master View roll-up shades give you the benefits of Solar Screen and added flexibility to allow light in when desired. Instead of curtains or blinds that continuously block out all of the light, roll-up shades allow you to choose how much light comes in. Master View roll-up shades reduce glare, help control light, and make any room more comfortable. Pfeiffer Sheer Weave's interior sun control fabrics are one energy-efficient solution because they reduce heat gain. Pfeiffer Sheer Weave was the first window shade fabric to be Green Guard certified and Green Guard Select certified, and are the only shade fabrics in the world to include microband protection. Sheer Weave fabrics provide the perfect balance of light, comfort, and beauty, making them the ideal window covering solution. The weave, or mesh structure, determines the fabric's openness and the amount of light that it allows in a room, ranging from 10% to total blackout. Choose the style, pattern, color, and weave that fit your decor. Learn more about roll-up shades from your authorized dealer and take charge of the sun in your home.